Hi, Stephen. My name's Christian Rinna with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are exclusive to you. So you're not going to be playing the game of who paid the most money to Zillow this month to get the best leads. All right, they're going to be your leads because it's your website. The biggest thing is getting people to find your website. So a couple things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. Now, content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so obviously you do understand the importance of having a website, but how much money, how much revenue, how much value is this website actually bringing you? That's the key question. Now, the thing to keep in mind, especially in real estate websites with the IDX feed and with listing photos and all that, how you save your photos matters. So it even goes down to the size of your photos. Do your homework. Just remember that when we save photos, when we upload photos to a computer, a lot of times the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. So typically it'll consist of random letters and numbers, or it'll consist of pick 1, pick 2, pick 3. That's no good. That's not bringing you any value. You need to make sure all your photos are saved with good content on the back end so that these search engines can read it, particularly in real estate websites, and help you rank for it, okay? So very important note there. I'm not sure if you do have an IDX feed on this website or not, but either way, you're going to want to make sure that all your photos are saved the right way. Very important. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce, just to name a few. All of those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in this map pack. So my wife told me that you are searching for the North Dallas area to try and target for your business, and so that's what I typed in. So I got North Dallas Realtors here. We got Greg Moore, we got Preston Keller, and then we got Local Realty Agency. All right, so these are the top 3. This is ideally where you want to get, okay? And then also you'd like to ideally get your website up here in the first page as well. So I don't see your website here. And then if we go over to the second page, I do not believe that your website is here either. So so we got some work to do. But either way, more importantly than that, I'd like to point out that I don't see your Google My Business page here either. So obviously there's like 10 lists, 10 pages, but I don't see it here. So how many people do you think the customers are going to go through to get to yours, to find you, right? That's the real key question right there. So, but you do have a Google My Business page, so I'm happy to see that. Now, a couple things I want to point out. Very important, you don't have any reviews. So we recommend you start working on those reviews to get 25. That's what we recommend, 25 reviews. And then your photos. But I'd like to also point out that when I type on website here from your Google My Business page, it brings me to an online pharmacy. So I don't know if this is like spam or somebody did that as a something, but that's wrong answer right there. Definitely wrong answer. And then the last thing is your photo. So this photo right here of the Google My Business drive-by doesn't count, okay? You're going to want to upload, first of all, fix the website thing. Fix your website, have it linked to here. And then also, you're going to want to add 10 photos to this Google My Business page and make sure you save all 10 photos the right way. So save them with the same content that we talked about earlier with all the photos on your website. Very important. Get yourself some citations and you'll be well on your way to coming up in those top positions for the Google My Business page. And then also I typed in Highland Village, Texas, right? So Highland Village, Texas, which is the city specifically that you're located in. We got Highland Village, Texas Realtors. Okay, your home free. We got Remax Cross Country, Hagen. Okay, obviously website not here. You know, how far down are we going to go to look for it? And then also if we go over here, it looks like, so we do have Beverly Cox Realty. I'm not sure if that is, she's of relation to you, but I don't know if you were in here for whatever reason. So now we're zooming out a little bit automatically. And you're not here. So this is where you need to be, because this is your area. So if we zoom out further, you may come up, you know, but again, how much time are these people, these customers, these clients going to take to find you specifically? We need to get your name out there in front of them. That's what you want to do. You need to get your name and your brand directly in front of them so it's easy. Not many people are going to take the time to search through hundreds of realtors to find one when there is hundreds of them, right? So, and then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found, anywhere that livinglcm.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. And so you guys actually have 2 backlinks from 2 referring domains, but yet you're not ranking for any keywords, and your domain rating is a 2.2 out of 100. Very low. The thing to keep in mind is that with backlinks, they're not all created equal. You want backlinks coming from relevant sites that aren't spammy. You want to have good, clean sites that are powerful, that are going to give you power on the back end, right? So you're going to raise your domain rating and give yourself some more power. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs, A-H-R-E-F-S. You know, I'm sure there's others out there, but this is the basic layout of your website currently, and so we have a lot of room to grow. You're going to want to get yourself some backlinks, some good ones, and do your homework on that for sure. So other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website, into your business, into your Google My Business page to bring you some more leads and in turn money, revenue. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us, feedback, and thank you very much for watching.